Why is the Advanced Attributes button sometimes replaced by an archive checkbox? Sometimes when viewing a file or folder's properties, I see an Advanced button listed under Attributes. Other times, the Advanced button is replaced by an archive checkbox. Why do file attributes sometimes display an archive checkbox instead of the Advanced Options button?
The Advanced dialog is shown only if the file is stored on a drive which supports compression or encryption. If the volume doesn't support either compression or encryption, the archive checkbox will be shown instead. FAT file systems do not support compression or encryption, meaning files display an archive checkbox. NTFS file systems do support both compression and encryption, meaning files display the Advanced button. Source: Raymond Chen, Microsoft Developer Blog.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.